Back with the ream today, guys. I've done a few videos on replacing some things in here. Today, I'm going to flush the system for lime and scale. And the easiest way to do that is to always start out by unplugging your system, turning it off. I had them add these quick connect turn offs when I had this installed. So I went ahead and turned the hot off, the cold off. Had to go buy this 6-foot hose with an adapter because you want a female to female. So female to hot. I'll get to the next part in a minute. Let's see, where's my other one? Where's my other hose? Here it is. This is from a washer and washer machine. It's obviously is a female, which is great. This is my cold. Obviously your blue is cold, your red is always hot. The reason I'm having to use a green and a gray one this time, last time I cleaned this system, this is a very harsh chemical right here. Your flow aid biodegradable descaler. It's very harsh, so it will rust these fittings pretty easy. This is brass, the one I just got from Ace. I'm hoping that holds a little bit longer, but I don't know, it still beats calling a plumber out. So I'm gonna hook this baby up to the hot. I got that baby hooked up to the cold. I'm gonna show you what I do. Other than your hose, you will need a pump. I bought the one-time pump a while back. It's just a submersible. This is a 115 volt, 2.5 amp, 21 gallons per minute. That'll work. Some type of bucket to empty your flow aid in, and it does call for a 1 quart to 1 gallon of water. So this bucket right there is somewhat clean. I'll go with that. Get her done. So first things first, turned off my cold. I'm gonna hook up. Took out my port. I'm gonna hook up my female end to my cold. It's nice and tug. Hook that up to my water pump right here. Make sure you have a gasket on there. I do. So I'm gonna hook this up. Guess I can go ahead and plug the water pump up. No, I have to actually do that last because I think it automatically starts. Yep, automatically starts. So let's do that last. Sorry. Let's go ahead and hook up. I need to cut this. My Home Depot. I'm gonna hook that up to my hot. Make sure it has a gasket. It does. This is turned off for the moment. You notice my hot is turned off. So I'm gonna get a knife or a pair of pliers and cut this, and this returns just to your bucket of water. Then I'm gonna add a gallon of water and this quart of flow aid. I'm gonna run it for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go finish cutting my grass, and after 45 minutes, I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, I got my 1 gallon measuring stick. You want this to be somewhat clean. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this baby up. You do want the mixture to be pretty accurate, because otherwise you may do what I did last time and get everything a little potency too strong. Here we go. Idea. All right, flow aid again, 1 gallon. So 1 quart of this flow aid. I got this off Amazon, I think 20 bucks. Again, I got this pump and 2 hoses a while back for like 80, but the hoses are bad. So this time I still have my pump and just got my flow aid. So now you want to start flushing. Turn this on, your hot water on, plug it up, and now my pump is going. All right, guys, 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and stop. Unplug that. I'm going to now cold water off with this hose. Get rid of all the vinegar and stuff in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Go ahead and get all this out, I guess, because it's hooked together just enough to get it outside. And then I'm gonna turn my cold water on, my external hose pinch. There we go. It's gonna run to an external hose, and I'm just gonna flush it for about 5 or 6, maybe 8 minutes. Get all the vinegar and all that out, and then I will turn my valves back on and hook up my hot water heater, and we're all done. Thanks for watching. Peace.